Nissan Quest Review. Reviewers like the 2050 Nissan Quest's handsome cabin, but note that it has less cargo space and fewer standard features than rivals. The 2050 Nissan Quest comes standard with a V6 engine, and reviewers report that the Quest feels quick and powerful. An automatic transmission CVT is standard. The Quest earns a good estimated fuel economy rating of 2,027 miles per gallon city highway. Some test drivers think the Quest is nimble for a minivan, but others note that the Honda Odyssey is more agile. They agree that the Quest has strong brakes and a very comfortable ride. Ready to buy? Get the best local price on a 2015 Nissan Quest. According to Autowriters, the 2015 Quest's cabin has striking styling and top-notch materials. Its seats are comfortable in all three rows, but cargo capacity is on the low end for the class. Reviewers find the audio, climate and navigation controls to be simple to use, but note that the Quest doesn't come as well equipped as rivals. Standard features include push-button start, a 4-speaker audio system and an auxiliary audio input. Available features include leather upholstery, power-adjustable front seats, heated front seats, a USB port, Bluetooth, satellite radio, a 13-speaker Bose audio system, a rear seat entertainment system, navigation, a sunroof, power sliding doors, a power liftgate, blind spot monitoring, an automatic climate control and Nissan's around view monitor with moving object detection, which uses multiple cameras to provide a 360-degree view around the Quest and warn when moving obstacles are close by. Nissan Quest Performance. The 2015 Nissan Quest gets good fuel economy for the class, and reviewers agree that it has strong acceleration and a smooth ride. Some test drivers think it delivers nimble handling, but others don't think it's very agile compared to class leaders like the Honda Odyssey. Acceleration and power. The 2015 Nissan Quest comes with a 260 horsepower, 3.5-litre V6 engine and a continuously variable transmission CVT. According to the EPA, the 2015 Quest gets 2,027 miles per gallon city highway, which is good for the class. Test drivers write that the Nissan Quest accelerates quickly off the line and has plenty of power for climbing steep hills or passing on the highway. Handling and braking. Some critics say the 2015 Nissan Quest has fairly agile handling, but others think that the Honda Odyssey is more responsive. Reviewers like the Quest's strong brakes, accurate steering and small turning radius, but they say its large size makes it difficult to maneuver in tight spaces. Some think the Quest's steering wheel requires too much effort to turn at slow speeds. Test drivers agree that the Quest is a very comfortable ride. Nissan Quest Interior. The 2015 Nissan Quest's cabin features a handsome design, excellent build quality and upscale materials that wouldn't seem out of place in an infinite luxury vehicle, according to test drivers. Though it has fewer standard features than its rivals, reviewers note that the Quest has easy-to-use audio, climate and navigation systems. The Quest has a small cargo area for the class, but Autowriters report that its seats fold flat conveniently and are comfortable in all three rows. Seating. The 2015 Nissan Quest seats 7 on standard cloth upholstery. Available features include